Hello, my name is Rodrigo Mesa. This is the activity. What did you used to do when I was bored? Mm, the first thing I want to say is that I'm going to talk about the things I used to do during the COVID-19 pandemic. To be honest, it's difficult to do that because I don't remember the moments in my life when I was bored. Even before the pandemic. However, I'm going to talk about the activities I did during this period. Uh, First, I used to go for long walks when we were in the COVID-19. I used to do very long walks because I wanted to go to the supermarket, and it was very far from home. One of the things I used to do during the COVID-19 pandemic was going jogging near a university uh, close to my house. At first, the local authorities don't let us to to go to make to do sports, and but later they allowed us to do it for a limited time. Mm, Even so, I tried to go jogging as fast as I could. As fast as I could. And during the pandemic, one thing I did was I used to take virtual courses on the Sena platform. In that time, they used to offer wonderful courses, and now they still do. Um, and last, one of my favorite hobbies is watching YouTube. I think even though they track my preference and choose my videos, I think it's still a very good application. During the pandemic, I used to watch a lot of videos on this application. That's all. Thank you very much.